For nearly 2 decades, Salinas nonprofit has been delivering in-home pediatric care for those with critical illness. It is called Coastal Kids Home Care, serving families across the region. Now, to keep up with demand, they're moving into a larger building. Got a closer look tonight from Action News 8 reporter Christian Balderas.
Yeah, Dan, it was a great event. Coastal Kids Home Care takes care of a lot of kids, about 650 medically fragile infants and children with illnesses and disabilities annually.
1, 2, 3.
Salinas-based nonprofit Coastal Kids Home Care has unveiled their new home base. The nonprofit provides critical care to children with life-threatening illnesses and disabilities in the most comfortable setting possible, their home.
The constant fear of like, what am I putting them at risk to take them outside, even if it's just to the hospital?
And the demand is ever increasing, with 600 referrals a year.
We're actually the only home health agency that provides the services that we provide in the entire state.
Pediatric nurse Margie Mayfield co-founded the nonprofit in 2005, but for the first 14 years was struggling to keep things afloat. They moved around to 7 different locations and received low reimbursement rates for Medi-Cal patients.
It was just a constant struggle for us, but we still believe in the mission. I'm used to that. That's why we're a nonprofit.
But one day, Mayfield crossed paths with Silicon Valley billionaire TJ Rodgers, who was moved by her mission. He donated $300,000. With that and a grant from the Central California Alliance for Health, Coastal Kids Home Care had a new home.
We were trying to buy a building, so I'm going, okay, let's talk. So that's the way it happened. It wasn't formal or anything.
The building is equipped with plenty of office space to expand operations. In the past couple of years, staff went from 45 to 150 employees. There's also multiple child therapy rooms, a first for the nonprofit. But the most striking, photo reminders of the children they serve, and some they've lost. Now, with more staff, Coastal Kids is now looking to expand across the Bay Area and down the Central Coast. The most difficult decision Mayfield is facing these days is simply where to start. Dan, back to you.
All right. Thank you, Christian.